Hawa ka ng lubo mamaya. Yun ang lahat yan.
Open it, thank you.
Power out. Bluetooth mode.
Hello? Start na po tayo, no? Kompleto na po. Good morning, everyone. Thank you for joining us on this beautiful day. Welcome to the grand opening of HBS Salon. Natawagan ko po yung aming mahusay at masipag na destinado po para sa panalangin. Si Karaf po. Karaf Dato.
Nasa loob.
We are gathered here to celebrate more than that. We are gathered here to celebrate more than just the opening of a new business. We are celebrating a new destination for confidence and rejuvenation in our community. Let's have a quick recap of the annual meeting. It all started back on the pandemic days. Miss Hazel Velosa started as a freelancer, and because of the love, passion, and dedication of the beauty industry, nagsimula na siyang in different training centers, sumali sa mga contest at nakakuha ng maraming certificate at trofeo. Nadagdagan ng halaman sa nails, brows, and lash application, and even semi-permanent makeup. Hindi siya tumigil sa pagpapalawak ng halaman at kukuha siya ng kurso for masterate in London. Marami na siyang na-inspire, natulungan, at naturuan sa industry ito. And we are proudly to announce that this other side of the salon will be the new training center for the upcoming students of HBS Nails, Lash Line, at hindi pa man po tumigil ang opportunity to create passive income and open new opportunities to others. This salon is now open. Now, let me introduce to all of you the artist, the master instructor, and the owner of this salon and training center, Miss Hazel Velosa, together with her very supportive husband, Sir Jonah.
So, hello everyone. So, thank you so much agad-agad po sa mga pumunta. Alam niyo kung gano'n ko kayong kamahal, di ko na kailangan isa-isahin. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. At naway, maging successful po ang ating opening at ang ating salon. So, maraming salamat po sa lahat ng pumunta. Hindi ko ma-explain yung feelings ko ngayon, basta masaya lang po talaga ako ngayon at enjoy po natin ngayong araw. So maraming salamat po sa inyo.
Okay, nandito naman po yung mga parents. Tinatawagan po natin sila kasi minsan lang po to event na to para po sa maiksing
Ay.
Multitasking. Saan ba ito?
Mayroon pa ba ako sasabihin? Lahat nasabi ko na. Congratulations sa bunso ko. Alam mo na proud kami sa iyo. More blessing at successful. Dito na natin sa likod.
Okay, get ready. Dahil in 5, 4, 3, 2. I'm calling po our destinado para samahan kami sa ribbon cutting. Okay guys, get ready. Dahil in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. HPS Salon is now officially open. Okay, congratulations, Miss Hazel. Pwede na pong pumasok. Nanalangin po muna tayo.
Paano po yung picture? Naka-live yun? Naka-video ba? Ito.
Pumasok pa sila para sama na sa pananangin.
Yung ano?
Sama sila. Oh, tama.